Welcome to Absolute Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're going to be making one of the most basic drinks. We're going to do it again. You've already seen me make this drink. It's the Sex on the Beach. Super fresh, perfect amount of peach schnapps in there. You don't even understand how much just using fresh citrus juice in your cocktails really elevates them to world-class cocktail bar level standard. Now, Kobe, I don't know how to spell your name or say your name, but you did a little comment talking about last time when I made a Sex on the Beach, I shook it, and you said your friends laughed at you for shaking your sex on the beach. I say, get new friends. But what we're gonna do today, we're gonna make it layered and show you exactly how to do a layered version. However, we're not just gonna use orange juice, we're gonna do my old firm favorite, fluffy orange. So first up, cheapest ingredients first, but this time it's gonna be a little bit different because the cheapest ingredient is actually gonna be the cranberry juice. I don't wanna put that in first. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with our peach schnapps, and we're gonna go straight into both drinks, 20 ml per drink. Next up, the hero, Absolut Vodka. Again, equal parts, so we want 20 ml of that going straight in. Next up, we want 100 ml of cranberry juice, and we're almost there. Now we're gonna elevate our orange juice by simply putting some orange through our centrifuge. First of all, I've got to peel. Jesus Christ. These are some thick-skinned oranges. We're gonna peel one orange. We're gonna peel two oranges, in fact. These are thick oranges, bro. Good for zest, not for juicing. Why are these oranges so thick-skinned? It's like me. You gotta be thick-skinned to work on this set, I'm telling you, bro. First thing we're gonna do is peel an orange. Can't get my nails in the orange. Usually you'd have these all pre-prepped. Look at how thick the skin is on these oranges. They're like great for zests. Number two. I'm doing this. I'm doing that. Throwing it in. With juice in. Let's just get it done. Go. Next up, we're gonna ice up our drink. Ice it up all the way to the top. And then we're gonna just top with that fluffy orange juice, like so. Next up, we wanna garnish it with some lime wheels and a cherry, because we want to go super 80s, bringing it back. And a cherry. And there you go. We have the Sex on the Beach. I'm gonna give it a little taste now. And you see, this is how you make it to have it built. No need to shake it, guy. Hang on, that tastes just like orange juice. Just let me do that. See, now it's gonna taste like a Sex on the Beach. A quick way to get it like this, shake it, Corby. Just shake it, and who cares what your friends say? But let's have a taste of this Sex on the Beach. Super fresh orange juice. You don't even understand how much just using fresh citrus juice, whether it's orange, whether it's lemon lime, whether it's grapefruit, in your cocktails, really differentiates them from anything else. It elevates them to world-class cocktail bar level standard. These drinks taste fantastic. Sex on the Beach.